That's gonna be.
Yo, check the function. It's a math attack. Adding up numbers, never looking back. Fractions, decimals, keeping it tight.
All right, let's go over these couple of linear equation problems. We talked about drawing a river. You don't have to cry about it. Did you get it? No one? Okay. I'm trying to get x by itself. I need to move 23 over across. To move it across, I have to do the opposite. Class 23, is it positive or negative? What do you see? 23 is what? Positive. So what's the inverse or opposite? Negative 23. This equals 0. This will come down. And x is equal to? Negative 11. Raise your hand if you got that. Job. Well, that's like really big. All right, question number 2. What do you see there? What math operation? For number 2, what do you see? We see division. So what is the opposite of division, class? We have to multiply. So C division, opposite is multiplication. We need to multiply. So I'm going to multiply it by 8 on both sides. Class, how do you make 8 a fraction? You're going to put it over 1. Now you have upstairs, downstairs. This is where you cancel. Why is canceling here appropriate? It's 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So when I put the red marks there, that's equaling 1. You're left with y equals 8 times 3, class? 24. Because if you put in 24 into y, right, to check your answer, that's what an equation is. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So you can always check your answer. What can you do? Check your answer, yeah. Let's go on to question number 3. Where are you? There you are. Let's draw our line down the equal sign. Class, on the right side with the variable here, what math operation do you see? You see multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? Let's go ahead and divide by 4 on both sides. Let's do the left side. Let's just say you've never simplified fractions before. I would tell you to break them down into factors. So my daughter's in 5th grade and she has to reduce fractions. This is how I would teach her. Class, what's 4 divided by 4? 1. So you're left with 6 equals 4 divided by 4 is 1. M is equal to 6. Raise your hand if you got that one. So you notice the big idea here is to undo a math operation. You do its opposite to move it away from the variable. And question number 4. To get G by itself, I have to move away this in blue. What do you see there, class? What math operation? You see subtraction. What's the opposite of subtraction? Now, if you didn't know what the opposites were, guess what? The old ladies still works. PEMDAS. Do you see that? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Does that make sense? So if I see subtraction, then I can just do addition. Line up your decimal points. This will equal 0. G equals $21.50, right? There's a 0 there.
Okay guys, I'm gonna give you guys free time to do your work.
Ugh, I've been trying to do my work, but I just can't seem to get this right. I see what you're doing wrong. You're not doing the operations the PEMDAS right. You keep dividing first and not multiplying first. Oh my gosh, I realize that now. Thank you. Thou shalt honor the correct order of operations. That's what Mr. Angle says. Thank you.